This video shows you how to deal with complex transactions when using Debonair. Some receipts and payments are more complex and involve multiple parts to them. For example, an amount banked may involve money received from a number of people for varying reasons. Some receipts have tax deducted from the amount received. This is the situation which is covered by our video aimed at helping subcontractors deal with this issue. Similarly, payments at one location can be for more than one thing, and each part needs a separate explanation. Thus, the aim of this video is to show you how to deal with situations in such circumstances. The method is the same for both receipts and payments. However, to demonstrate the procedure, we will choose bank payments. In section 4 for bank payments, you first select the transaction to be posted. As with all transactions, you first enter the transaction date. Then you enter the details of the first part of the transaction. You enter the account code applicable to the first part of the transaction, and similarly the applicable VAT code. You then enter the net amount that relates to the first part of the transaction, followed by the applicable amount of VAT. As the gross amount of the first part of the transaction does not equal the amount shown on the bank statement, Debonair will not allow you to post the transaction at this point. Instead, it prompts you to add the transaction. When you click on Add, the first part of the transaction is dropped to the Add section at the bottom of the screen. The difference between the amount added and the total value of the transaction to be posted is then shown in red and reflects the value of the remaining part of the transaction that need to be posted. To explain the balance, you have to go back to the description and enter the description, account code, VAT code, net amount and VAT relating to the next part of the transaction. Then you click on Add again. If the bank transaction is then fully explained, the total will change to green and you will then be allowed to post the transaction. The individual parts are then shown in the Explain section on the right hand side. And that is how it's done. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel to receive notification when we upload further videos. Thank you for watching this video. Bye for now.